I have been searching for the perfect travel pillow. I have reviewed several and I just got this one sent to review. This is the FlyHugz travel pillow and sleep mask. So we're gonna take a look at both of those. First of all, I love that it comes with a carry case and it gets fairly compact. So this is gonna be easy to throw in a bag or hang from your luggage. Opening it up. Ooh, haha, like a cinnamon roll in there. Wow, this thing is huge. It is a really soft, squishy memory foam. Inside, really nice material, like a t-shirt material, really soft. It's got a really wide adjustable band here so you can have it looser or like tighter depending on the size of your neck and how you want it to fit. You gotta pull this, otherwise it's not gonna stick, which actually is nice because it'll keep the fabric will be protected better. Hold that down when you're pulling so that it doesn't pull it and damage. We're gonna get it nice and tight. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is pretty awesome. I gotta say, as far as how wide it is on the side, it's very nice. You're only gonna tilt a little bit. It's not an uncomfortable amount, just barely, so like just really nice. As far as how much you can bob forward, you're gonna bob forward a little bit if your seat's not reclined anyway, but it's not like an uncomfortable amount. It's like just barely, because look at how supportive this is here. It's quite high. And then backwards, again, it supports your head from bobbing all the way backwards. So this thing is really comfortable and supports your head. I'm impressed. Earplugs will be better with this for sound canceling because your headphones will kind of bob up and out of the way. And this one kind of looks cute too. It almost looks like one of those infinity scarves. Oh yeah, this is a great one. I'm really impressed. I also like, because it is that soft memory foam, you can really squeeze it to compactly store in the bag. Also worth noting, this will zip off so you can wash the cover. And this is the memory foam that's underneath it. Very nice. They also have this sleep mask. So let's take a look at that. It's a 3D contoured, really soft, silky smooth, really flexible, nothing hard on here. It's also adjustable, so that'll go on. That is 3D, 100% blackout. Oh my gosh, this is so comfortable. And there is not even a speck of light coming through. Not at the nose, not through the mask, nothing. These are a must-have on a flight, on a road trip if you're not driving, at home if you take a nap in the middle of the day. Like, oh my gosh, these are amazing. Together, the pillow and the eye mask, match made in travel heaven. Super comfy, very supportive. I love it. I could see why it's a bestseller. This is a great travel pillow. I love it, and I know you will too.